Hey, my name is Anna and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is something along a sensitive line. It's something that we don't really talk about to anyone, and the reason for that is because maybe we don't have anyone that we can truly consider a friend, therefore we have no one to talk to. So this video is what to do when you have no friends. Evaluate why you don't have any friends. If you have found yourself watching this video, chances are you feel like you could be doing a lot better when it comes to friends. So to get things started, you really need to evaluate why it is that you're not doing so well in this area. And the truth is, you may well be blocking new friendships from forming, but possibly on a completely subconscious level. Fears of betrayal are a common issue that plays on people's minds as an example. Take some time to think about anything you may be doing that could be preventing you from making friends, and take the appropriate steps to address this. Do not chase friends. When it comes to making friends, one of the last things you want to start doing is chasing after people. Trying to force someone else to be your friend is never gonna work. So if you've tried to form a friendship with someone and they are not interested, it's best to just let that one go. Make friends online, but avoid them being your only friends. If you struggle making friends in person, then making friends online is an okay alternative to get you started. And with the likes of Facebook groups, forums, and other specialist websites, you can find like-minded people you will have things in common with. And you can use this method to sharpen up your skills, but remember, you don't want to end up completely relying on friendships with people online. Shared interests and hobbies are a great way to make new friends. Having shared interests with people is an absolutely fantastic way to get that ball a-rolling. You can find local communities, groups of like-minded people, and take part in upcoming events with them. And this could include the likes of book clubs, activity clubs, sports, or whatever it is that you love to do. The amount of friends isn't important. I know you do this, but don't focus too much on making lots of friends rapidly. The number of friends is not important. It's the strength of the friendships that you should really be concerned with. So rather than making weak connections with, say, 10 people, you would do much better to focus on building strong friendships with 2 or 3 people, then work your way up from there. Consider introducing your friends to each other. Now, once you've managed to form a couple of friendships, it may be worth considering introducing them to each other. If you are successful at cross-introducing friends with similar interests, you will be well on your way towards building a strong circle of friends. Focus on deeper connections. Superficial friends come and go quite often over time, and the reason they don't hold much staying power is because you don't have any deep connections together. You should really try to focus on those few friendships where you can form a deeper bond. They are a lot more meaningful and will add much more to your life than hundreds of superficial friendships ever will. Don't let barriers get in the way of friendships. All too often, when it comes to making new friendships, people go for what they know. People try to find friends from a similar age, gender, and social background, but all this is really doing is limiting you. It's the shared interests and values that are most important when it comes to making new friendships. Make sure you are not giving people the wrong message. People are rarely in a position where they are absolutely not interested in making new friends. They are often up for making new friends with people, provided they think the other person also wants to make friends. So if you are not taking part in these conversations and you're not doing anything more than one-word replies, you are giving off the wrong body language or simply just refusing any invites to social events, then you are really not giving off the impression that you want to make any new friends at all. Practice your social skills. There are so many tips available online when it comes to improving your social skills. And whatever it is you want to get better at, you can find a way to do it. Conversational skills will come in very handy when it comes to making friends. Learning how to keep a conversation going and showing interest will do you wonders. Be sure to give yourself the opportunities to try out your social skills too. And if you are the type of person who would normally shy away from social interaction, try giving more involvement out there instead. I hope this video has helped you to note down some things that you could do to expand your social circle. And I will see you over in the next video. Have you subscribed and liked this video? It would mean so much to me if you could like this video and leave a comment below. And I will see you in the next video. All the best to you. Ciao!